Hi everyone, let's talk today about what is a chakra at all. I want to create a series to talk about a little bit of each one. You can find a lot of information already available online. I just want to give you some glimpse what exactly this could be, and if you understand what it is, you actually can work more with the energy to use it on your behalf to get more of this energy if you are not getting enough, to work with understanding, and definitely to change your yoga practice in total if you need to get some kind of energy more in your life. And what is the chakra at all? So in the Western tradition, it's kind of for us a little bit weird. Let's use this word. What is this and why it's comparing with flower at all? What is the petals? Something weird. But in Eastern tradition, is this giving you really good understanding how separate different type of energy one from another. So chakra, this is concentration of some kind of type of energies. And when we are talking about type of energies, it is what it is. If you think about that actually it's pretty obvious for you. So sometimes you are inspired, for example, to create something. The other day you are so concentrated on your task, you are moving forward, you are pushing maybe some kind of buttons or organizing something. The other day you just want to enjoy nature and feel the connection between you and another person or nature. So we kind of using this knowledge, we kind of doing this, we just never ever thinking about that like a science, that actually this may be concentrated somewhere in our body and connected with another people on the same level, for example. So technically chakras is concentration of some kind of a type of energy. Each chakra different types of energy, and it's definitely not a flower, but for us it's just kind of easier to imagine. Technically this is a vortex, so energy moving constantly. I believe if you just remember just even something from your school education, you know that energy constantly moving, like electricity for example. It's constantly moving, so energy constantly moving, and for us it's just easier to imagine that this sort of like a flower and petals, this is a vortex, some kind of a type of energy coming into one chakra, coming in and coming out, because we don't need to think that we are separated from everything. Even we kind of like human beings, we used to think about the concentration of God in ourselves, but actually we all connected, and energy fluently moving, especially we are talking that your chakras healthy, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. For now I want to give you kind of an understanding what different chakras, 7 standard chakras that we used to talk about means, and maybe just from this point we can kind of talk more about how to heal ourselves and how to work with the energy, because actually healing, it means working with the energy. Obviously if you got already any kind of illness, you need to get advice from your doctor. It's not a medical advice, it's just more how we can help ourselves, how we can be on the same side as ourselves with our doctor and fight with any kind of illnesses. So hope you enjoy this video. I hope you will join and see next one with describing different chakras, and definitely join my another channel in description below, where I'm painting, and this is definitely meditation practice for me, painting different chakras now. So like button, push like button, subscribe to this channel and to another channel, and see you on next video. Bye.